Hello and welcome to my channel. If you're new here, I'm so happy to have you, and to our returning subscribers, you know you're truly appreciated. So today I'll show you how I made these truly addicting, tasty and extra rich Nigerian sausage rolls. Full list of ingredients can be found in the description bar below. So now let's get started. So my flour, I'm going to be adding some baking powder, a little sugar, and a tiny bit of salt and nutmeg. You can also use cinnamon or vanilla essence if you want an extra boost of flavor. I'll also be adding some cold butter. Cold butter will help produce a flakier and crispier pastry. Now, using my clean hands, I'll blend the butter gently into the flour until crumbly. You can also use a spatula or a stand mixer to make the work less messy. I'll also add the eggs and gradually pour in the milk until I get a dough that is not too hard or soft. The dough will look tacky at first, but simply mix together until the dough comes together. Then cover with a kitchen towel or a cling film and leave to rest for like 15 minutes, just enough time for us to prepare the filling for our sausage rolls. And to do this, I cut my hot dog sausage into small chunks. Then I grind it smooth with one large egg or a little bit of milk. This also enriches the filling and makes it fluffier and tastier. When we are done with that, we transfer the filling into a large bowl and add breadcrumbs and spices. The breadcrumbs is 100% optional, but for those who want to make this for sale, it will give the filling some bulk and also keep the meat extra soft as it bakes, but feel free to leave it out if you want to. Now that our filling is ready, we'll set it aside and line our oven tray with some baking paper or greased foil paper. We'll also prepare our egg wash and set aside to be used later on. So now we'll take out our rested dough. We'll cut it into 4 pieces, then return 3 pieces back into the bowl. Then we roll out 1 piece of the dough to form a rectangle or square. We also trim out the rough edges to make it look pretty and uniformed. On one end of that rolled dough, you add the sausage filling, and on the other side, we'll brush on some of our egg wash, which will serve as a binder as we roll the dough. When this is done, you can mark the dough before cutting or simply cut straight to your desired size. Repeat the same process for the remaining dough and transfer onto the prepared tray. We'll also poke some vent holes on the rolls and also brush on some egg wash to give it shine when it is baked. I have already preheated my oven for 5 minutes, so now I'll transfer the tray into the preheated oven and bake for 20 to 25 minutes at 170 degrees Celsius or until it's golden brown. Oh, just look at these beauties. Believe me, your self-control will be tested as you won't stop going for more and more and more. Now it's your turn to make some, and let me know in the comment section below if you do. Thank you so much for watching, and please give this video a like and subscribe. It's absolutely free, and also click on that bell icon to get notified when new recipes are posted. See you in the next video. Stay blessed. Bye bye.